I am Molly Dixit from class 8 and I am here to explain you about fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights instaured in the Constitution of India which are guaranteed to all citizens. They are applied without discrimination on the basis of race, religion, gender, etc. Significantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to certain conditions. There are 6 fundamental rights in our Constitution: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Firstly, I want to explain you about cultural and educational right. Cultural and educational rights are guaranteed by the Constitution to religious and linguistic minority group in India to enable them to preserve their distinct culture, language or script. Freedom of religion. Everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience and religion. This right includes freedom to change his religion and belief, and freedom, either alone or in community with others and in public or private, to manifest his religion or belief in worship, teaching, practice and observance. Right to constitutional remedies. Part 3 of the Constitution provides for legal remedies for the protection of these rights against their violation by the state or other institution individual. It's entitled the citizen of India to move the Supreme Court or High Court for the enforcement of this right. Right to equality. The Constitution says that the government shall not deny to any person in India equality before the law or the equal protection of the law. It means that the law apply in the same manner to all, regardless of the person's status. Right to freedom. The right to freedom gives citizens basic freedom with respect to speech and expression, from association, freedom of personal liberty, freedom to live a life of dignity, etc. Right against exploitation. Article 24 says that no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine. Other hazardous employment. The fundamental rights against exploitation guaranteed to all citizens prohibits child labor in mines, factories and hazardous conditions. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफान